Imagine this. Someone you trusted with intimate photos or videos is now threatening to share them with the world unless you pay up. You thought it was real, thought they were genuine. This is called sextortion. It's blackmail using explicit images to demand money or favors. And it's on the rise, happening more often, especially online, with young people being prime targets. Sextortion often starts online, a chat that takes a turn, a photo exchange, or even a video call recorded without your knowledge. It starts innocently, but can escalate quickly. The scammer's demands begin. More photos, payment, or else your images will be shared. The experience is terrifying, but you have the power to protect yourself. Here's how. Be skeptical of online requests, even from people you know. Keep social media profiles private. Avoid sharing explicit content, and look out for fake profiles. And remember, the internet is forever. If you suspect sextortion, don't respond. Block the perpetrator, document the messages, and report them to local authorities or platform support teams. Talk to young people in your life about the risks of sextortion. Education and open conversations are key to staying safe. And don't forget, there's more to discuss. Stay tuned for part 2, where we dive deeper into other scams.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.